Welcome to the DIY versus professional upgrade guide. Let's explore how to assess your technical skills and comfort level when it comes to hardware upgrades. Some components, like RAM and storage, are relatively easy to upgrade. They can greatly improve your computer's performance. On the other hand, upgrading components like CPUs and motherboards can be more challenging and may require advanced technical knowledge. If you're not confident in your skills or the upgrade is complex, it's better to seek professional assistance. They have the expertise to ensure a successful upgrade. DIY upgrades can save you money and provide a valuable learning experience. You'll gain knowledge about your computer's internals and have the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Now that you know which components are easier to upgrade and when to seek professional help, you can make an informed decision. Assess your skills and choose the right approach for your hardware upgrades.